Welcome to Channel Road Warriors, your go-to destination for all things automotive. Today, we are excited to bring you the scoop on the highly anticipated Tata Sumo Victor 9-seater 2025. This revolutionary vehicle has been generating a lot of buzz in the automotive community, and we are here to give you the lowdown on what makes it so special. The Tata Sumo Victor 9-seater 2025 boasts a modern and practical design, with a focus on comfort and versatility. The Sumo Victor's exterior features a range of premium materials and finishes, including a bold new grille and LED headlights. The interior is equipped with a range of advanced features, including a state-of-the-art infotainment system and a range of ergonomic seating options. The Sumo Victor's interior is designed to be highly functional and versatile, with a range of storage options and configurations available. One of the standout features of the Tata Sumo Victor 9-seater 2025 is its impressive performance capabilities. The Sumo Victor is powered by a powerful and efficient engine, designed to provide smooth and quiet operation on the road. The Sumo Victor's engine is paired with a state-of-the-art transmission, which provides smooth and seamless shifting. Whether you are cruising down the highway or navigating twisty roads, the Sumo Victor's powerful engine and advanced transmission make it a joy to drive. In addition to its impressive performance capabilities, the Tata Sumo Victor 9-seater 2025 is also designed to be highly safe and reliable. The Sumo Victor features a range of advanced safety features, including a state-of-the-art collision avoidance system and a range of driver assistance systems. The Sumo Victor also features a range of advanced safety features, including a state-of-the-art airbag system and a range of crash avoidance systems. The Tata Sumo Victor 9-seater 2025 is also equipped with a range of advanced technology features, including a state-of-the-art infotainment system and a range of driver assistance systems. The Sumo Victor's infotainment system features a large touchscreen display and a range of advanced connectivity options, including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The Sumo Victor also features a range of advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control and lane departure warning. The Tata Sumo Victor 9-seater 2025 is designed to provide ample seating and space for passengers and cargo. The Sumo Victor features a spacious interior, with a range of seating configurations available. Whether you are hauling a large family or just need a vehicle for road trips, the Sumo Victor's seating and space make it a great choice. The Tata Sumo Victor 9-seater 2025 will be available in a range of variants, including diesel and petrol models, as well as a range of trim levels and options. Whether you are looking for a basic people mover or a fully loaded luxury vehicle, the Sumo Victor has something to offer. With its advanced features, impressive seating and space, and range of variants and options, the Sumo Victor is sure to be a hit with buyers. In terms of competition, the Tata Sumo Victor 9-seater 2025 is part of a crowded and competitive market. However, with its unique blend of comfort, versatility, and practicality, the Sumo Victor is sure to stand out from the crowd. Whether you are a seasoned car enthusiast or just looking for a reliable and practical ride, the Tata Sumo Victor 9-seater 2025 is definitely worth checking out. The Tata Sumo Victor 9-seater 2025 is a highly anticipated vehicle that promises to deliver a unique blend of comfort, versatility, and practicality. With its advanced features, impressive seating and space, and range of variants and options, the Sumo Victor is sure to be a hit with buyers. Thanks for joining us on Channel Road Warriors. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more automotive content.